As you saw earlier in the course, when we were dissecting the search results, you'll often find local results on the search results page. Search for Indian restaurant and the search engine will return information about Indian restaurants in your area, even in India, ironically perhaps. These local results are critical in many cases. When the search engines decide that the searcher is looking for local resources, restaurants, plumbers, lawyers, different types of stores and so on, they retrieve and display the information in a different way. So in this section of the course, you're going to learn about local search results. I'll explain how the search engines figure out where you are, even if you don't tell them, and I'll explain where this local content comes from. It comes out of two different types of index. And I'll also explain what you need to do in order to have your business appear within these local results.